All right, so we got a quick unboxing and review for y'all of this time clock. So if you own a business, or like a small business or even a big business, or if you're a manager or something like that, or you need to track somebody's time some way, somehow, you can use this. So you have your quick start guide here, contact information. Oh, here's like a little template for you to use to install this on the wall. So this is going to be nice for you to use if you have any kind of employees that you need to track their time or anything like that. So here's your power cable. It's going to come with that. And then you have all your hardware to mount this on the wall, because you're going to want it somewhere convenient where everybody can see it. Here is the mount for the wall. Then you have, here's your RFID card. So we'll get into these later. So these are going to be one way that you can scan in to the time clock. More on that in a minute. And then here is the time clock itself. I believe, yeah. So that's all that comes in the box. Boom. So here's the actual time clock itself. Comes wrapped up in this plastic. All right, here you go. So here's the time clock. So it has like a, oh, this way. So it has like a glossier black down here, and then more of like a flat black up here. So if you can see that. So here's your numbers here. So that's for to punch in and out. Here have your little, your display right here. Here's your little camera right here. And then here's a fingerprint scanner right there. This is the back side. This is where you'll plug in all your cords, power cord, Ethernet cord, all that. And on the side you have a USB port, so you can use a USB to get all your data off of here, or you can use the app. So this does come with the app to be able to utilize it. So the cool thing about this time card is there's 4 different ways you can punch in or out on the time. You can use a code with the number pad. It will actually face scan your face. There's a camera right here. So you can do face scan, you can do the number code, you can do your fingerprint, so you can put fingerprints in here, or that's where these RFID cards come into play. So you can link these RFID cards to this and just put it up near, and it will scan it in. So that's how you can scan in and out. So that's everything that comes with the product. So let's try to set it up. Let me plug it up real quick. Here's the power cord. And then, oh, it actually gives you a USB port. So that's nice. It gives you a USB plug to download all your data off there if you want to. Or you can just download the app. You can download the app and you can download the data off of there. You can sync it to your employee, CRM management system, or whatever you use with your employees. So yeah, you're going to want to go through this quick start guide when you first set it up. We're not going to go through everything in here today because that would just make the video way too long. But yeah, this will give you all the information you need. This will show you how to mount it. So that's with this bracket here. You run the cord through there, and then you're going to put the screws in. And that's how you're going to mount it to the wall. So I will show y'all what it looks like up against, mounted on the wall. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's plug it in and get it started up. All right, so to pull the menu up, once you get the power on, you hold down this this button right here. It says M. That's going to pull it up, and you can add users. You can go to your user list, upload users, download users. Again, you need to download the app on your phone, and it'll allow you to look at all your attendance and things like this. So we're just going to see how to add it. User ID, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's the user ID. First name, put your first name in there. We're going to put T-E. We're just going to put test in there. And then the T. Boom, got the name, first name. Just to show y'all how to do this real quick and not take up too much of your time. We're going to skip the last name. You can put a last name, you can put a user role, you can put verification mode, fingerprint, face, card number. So that's these numbers. You can put a card in, you can put your face in for them, you can do the fingerprint or the verification mode. So, and then a password there. So let's put a password real quick. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the passcode for that one. Let's do face. Okay. And then boom, you can see my face on there, and you need to scan your face. So you have to enroll it. Boom. All right, so my face is in there. Card number. I guess you just put one of these cards by it. Let's do N card here. Boom, got that card in there. And then fingerprint. We'll put my, you got to take this little sticker off. Fingerprint in there. Boom, now my fingerprint's in there. And then it looks like that's all you got to do. Now let's test it out. How can I go back? All right, let's go back to the home page. Oh, you gotta hit escape. There we go. Add user. Let's see what else you can do. Back here at the home page, so you have users, you have comm, I'm assuming that's communications, you have your system, you have your pay periods, you can set up your pay periods, data, attendance rule, time data, time report, system info. So we're not gonna go through all those, but that's how you can get all your data off of here for like your time cards and who's working, who wasn't working, when they punched in and when they punched out, things like that. All right, so we're back at home. So let's try to do, all right, let's do the fingerprint and see if it works.
Thank you.
Boom, see? Punched in, it says your check-in, gets me the time, and then let's check out. Boom.
Duplicated punch. Thank you.
Oh, well, let me hit out. Out.
Duplicated punch.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So let's try to do, we'll do the punch in, and we'll do the code I gave you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Input ID.
Oh, maybe, oh, I think you got to type in your code first. Let's do in. Boom. And then we're gonna go to, because it gives you the option to do password, fingerprint, face, card. Let's try the face. Boom.
Thank you.
So it worked. It's just, I've already signed in, so it's got me signing in again. Let's try it again. So that was the face. Now let's try the password. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Thank you.
Boom. So that worked again. So let's go back to that. All right. We did the fingerprint. We did the face. Let's try the card. And we did the password. Card.
Duplicated punch.
Boom.
Thank
So
you.
that's how the card works. Pretty simple. Now let's see if we can get the face to work. Face.
Duplicated
Boom.
punch.
There we go. It
Thank
worked.
you.
So yeah, that's how you use it. That's how people can sign in. Put this on the wall by your door when you're going in your business or wherever you're going to use this for. You can use it for employees. You can do it for any kind of volunteer services that you need to track people with or anything like that. So it's got different functions. It all works. You can use the flash drive to download all your data off of it and plug it into your computer, or you can download the app on your phone. I will show y'all the app. It is, so go to this page right here and it gives you the app, NGTeco Time app. That's it right there. You can download it. You can get all your reports from there that you need. And then, so this mount, you'll just run the cord through there. This mount just sits on here like this, and then this sits on the wall. So I'll show y'all real quick. All right, say this is my office door right here. You're just gonna put it up right there. So when people come in and out, they can just, hit their fingerprint, passcode, whatever they're gonna use. You could also use the mount and do it up like that on the wall if you really want to. But I would suggest just put it flat on the wall. I think it looks good like that. Boom, then you just type in your numbers and it's good to go. I don't think I have to show y'all how to screw this into the wall, but if you need instructions, they got instructions. So yeah, that's the product. Everything works on it like it's supposed to. It's pretty simple to use. I literally set it up and was putting all my information in less than 5 minutes. So you will have to do that for all your employees, unfortunately. But once you set it up one time, that's it. That's the only time you have to set it up. And then you can download all your data off the app. You can track when people are coming in and out. And you can sync that up with your payroll system. So I think this also offers a payroll system, and it can do monthly payroll, weekly payroll, bi-weekly payroll. It can do it however you want. You'll have to play around with the app to see what all it can do, because it can do a lot of stuff. It can do pretty much everything you need when it comes to payroll. So yeah, y'all definitely check this out if you need something like this for your business or whatever you're going to use it for. There will be a link down in the description below. That link will take you straight to the product on Amazon. So y'all check it out. And if you need one of these, go ahead and pick you up one. And y'all have a great day.